99% of the market is actually missing this one meme coin. We have so many projects as hedges against AI, against all of the layoffs we'll actually have this year, and everyone is losing and not seeing this one meme coin that is present on the market currently, because the first reaction of any human being when being replaced by AI or something is aggression and humor. Aggression and humor. And here is where Clanker just comes into picture perfectly. Today, I'll explain exactly why Clanker is the next 100x, why you can actually be buying it currently, why it is low. It is very low currently, and it's just an insane opportunity we have in this market at this stage. Press the like button, and without further ado, let's get into it. So, to start, Clanker, the next 100x structure. AI as the main cause of aggression cope. Where does this aggression go? AI hedges on the crypto market right now. We have SPX, we have Wojak, we have NEET, we have Retire, probably a bunch of things as well. What people usually cope with, it's humor. It's not depression, it's not making jokes of employed people, it's not like retire, it's humor, aggression and humor. Something to bet on to take advantage, Clanker and the supporters of the project at this stage. AI is the main cause of aggression cope right now. Where does this aggression go? Americans hate AI more than anything. Americans hate AI more than IECE, and the layoffs have only just begun. The layoffs have only just begun. What we have seen this year thus far is a tiny pie of the amount of layoffs we'll actually be having this year. I'm telling you this 100%. It might seem impossible to shut down it all down, but wait till unemployment hits 50% and the largest mass movement in history appears. The largest mass movement in history appears. 100 million unemployed people with nothing to do. It's a very important thing, because many people are saying currently if they would have a button that they can actually press at this stage and remove all of the AI and even sacrifice something for it, so something that they love, they would definitely do it. Many people are saying the world was better without AI, and they want to remove AI fully. Most people nowadays actually say they'd love to remove AI completely and make sure it never happened. They don't want a bunch of nerds in Silicon Valley with God complex change the world strictly by themselves. Yet most are still getting fired. Most of these people, white collar workers, they are getting fired. Yet most will still feel so much hate and would want to have a vehicle to cope with it. This is COVID 2.0, but with a much more directed enemy that could be made fun of. Because what humans usually do when they are angry, how do they cope? Humans cope with humor. That's where Clanker comes in. AI hedges on the crypto market right now. We have SPX, we have Wojak, we have NEET, we have Retire. There are quite a few AI hedges coins on the crypto market currently, both on Ethereum and on Solana. Some people say it's SPX is 900, obvious choice, strongest one. It's like a 300 million market cap currently. It was designed specifically as a hedge against this unemployment AI and essentially the inability of the current generation be able to acquire some assets because the system is fully rigged against them. Wojak, some people say that Wojak is a nice hedge, it's probably the best one. They say, in my opinion, it's too depressive. It definitely has its own target group, but I would say that younger crowd, which are best in social media, they're best to push trends in social media, I would say they won't be the best to push Wojak out there. I would say they won't have the largest connection to Wojak. And projects like NEET, we have projects like NEET, which is a $25 million market cap currently, right? And with them, they essentially for unemployed Zoomers, younger generation, 100%. All they do is just make fun of people who are employed currently. It doesn't ring a bell with me too much, as well as Retire. There's also Retire for Zoomers and younger crowd too. It's a bit different. Like when you just got fired from a job, and you have all this aggression, you have all of this cope. The last thing you actually think about is Retire. The last thing. The first thing you want to do is to create maybe like or join some type of aggressive movement, making fun of the whole thing that happened. It's not like some type of, I don't know, like in my opinion, most of them feel off. In my opinion, you want to have humor and satire because this is the way people usually cope. This is the ultimate first signal and first action when the human has to cope with something. They want to become a part of the call to cope. They want to become sad. They want to write memes about unemployed or buy Retire calls. Nah, I want to make fun of a Clanker that got me out of my job. That's what I want, and that's what a Clanker is. Call me Clanker one more time. Something to bet on, take advantage. Clanker is a default regular choice for any sane human being. This AI tool just got you fired, useless Clanker. New AI robot is replacing your blue-collar job, a Clanker. Ukraine uses humanoid robots in war now. Bunch of stupid Clankers. You are not fast enough to adopt all of the innovation that is happening currently. Useless Clankers won't do anything anyway. Top CEOs of most American companies are calling for giant layoffs, which already started in 2026 and will only increase. There will be much more hatred and hope directed toward useless Clankers replacing humans. Huge layoffs are coming across the board. This was just shared today, and it's absolutely insane what is happening currently. If you haven't developed AI psychosis in the last 6 months, you haven't stared deeply enough into the abyss. So many people are spending so much time on X, all of the new bots, and most of these people, they're just trying to sell AI courses to each other, right? ServiceNow CEO, unemployment could rise to mid 30%. Imagine what will be happening with Clanker when unemployment actually rises to mid 30%. The first reaction to people being replaced is not joining some cult movement. It's not looking how to retire. It's not making fun of people who are employed. Nah, it will be aggression, satire, humor, and cope. Aggression, satire, humor, and cope. This is what Clanker is. You have to understand these things. In the next few years, already at 9% for the graduates. People are coming out of the college. They cannot find any jobs. Why? Because of Clankers. It's very natural to be concerned about jobs. So much is going to be done by agents. Policymakers are away. It's coming faster than people anticipate. Huge layoffs are coming across the board. Humanoid robot soldiers are now being deployed by Ukraine. These black human-shaped robots are equipped with visors and can carry small weapons such as pistols, shotguns, and rifles. Ukraine is one of the first places in the world where humanoid military robots are being tested in active war zone. Bunch of Clankers. One of the only real, and yeah, in terms of the people who actually support this stuff, one of the main people is Art School Reject. She is one of the first whales of PopCat. And it's a very, very important thing. And obviously she shared it 800K first. Right now it's at 1.6. Kind of funny, the biggest memes that will come out of the tech Twitter is calling the computer the N-word, which is pretty much what the Clanker is. There was a guy also, Deep Wheeler, supporting it back in the days too, but this meme coin, this project has quite a strong chart. It's already been on the market for 1 year at this stage. And guys, just look at this chart. We have been in a downtrend since August of 2025. With most of the essentially meme coins showing the same thing out there. We just broke through it, right? We reached the resistance, we retested the whole thing, and we are bouncing back up. Do you know what will be happening with this chart? Once we are above $1 and $1.7 million in market cap, we will probably go at least to the previous all-time highs, which is 16-17 million at this stage. If we go above, we're just going to price discovery out there. And I want you to focus on one thing as well. Liquidity on this thing is only $222,000. Half of this liquidity pool is in Solana. It has very, very small amount of liquidity. Like if someone would be buying $50,000 worth of Clanker at this stage, he'll probably push the market cap to $3 to $4 million out there, which will effectively pump the price of the chart 2.5x as well. I do not understand why people do not see this insane opportunity in the market. I think it's literally the best thing about the hedge to AI out there, because no one would want to join any cults, retire, need all this type of stuff. They would want to direct their aggression and their cope into humor and satire. Clanker is the ideal setup for that. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching this one. I'll surely be seeing you in some time. Bye-bye.